Hi, good day, everyone. Julia Johnson speaking. A couple of years ago, when I was still very young, I was at in a business course. It was actually for 3 days, and there was one thing that I observed that stand out for me in the whole course that we had, where this guy was telling us that he left everything, not left, he lose everything. You can have everything in your life, but if you have no one to share what you have, it means nothing. And the impulsive decision that I made, I'm going to rebuild my relationship with my sister. And my sister didn't have a very nice relationship from very young. She's younger than me, very, very protective over me, but very rude. She was very rude. And she always make me feel that I didn't belong there, but beware the one who come from outside to do something to me. I can remember this one day when there was a friend of us staying with us. She was not a friend, she was a total stranger. But she was staying with us. She didn't have money, she had nowhere to go, so my mother took her in. And that day she stole all my clothes. And my sister was running after that woman. And I was actually very proud of her. She was running after that woman until that woman decided to throw down all the bags that she had, and we find all my clothes. So there's this special things that we need to remember, because we always remember the bad things that we do. And sometimes we so conveniently or not conveniently, because of all the things we went through, we forget that there was also good times. So my impulsive decision that I made, I want to rebuild a relationship with my sister so that we together can rebuild the relationships with our children. And I made a decision, my children and our children are not going to be raised the way we were raised separately. Because at the end of